Chief Secretary, all the officials.
Over to the next two athletes, the numbers 18.
Ladies and gentlemen, in front of us, athletes from Ribhoy district. A big round of applause for all of them, please.
Encourage youth and encourage leadership, because at the end of the day, sports persons also makes great leaders. Around for this 6th Meghalaya Games, I now invite him to give us his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, please.
Our respected Deputy Chief Ministers, Cabinet.
Can we once again give them a thunderous round of applause, please? All the best to each one of you.
When they are here and treat each other with respect. So I wish all of you the very best. I've seen just great potential in all of you. I'm sure that these games will be a great success.
As I can see right there, you are looking simply awesome. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving up next, we have the Chief Minister of the state, Honorable Rich, gathered here and paraded before you in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025. Meghalaya Games.
Celebration of the enactment, and bow the Kubor and Jumaya, the Jimkamen, the Jinsuk. Hagawa, you over here, Nigilikum, but Kmen given save your e. Yate night, you have to a pair of hair. These vehicles are being locally made by people who are very creative in their own ways.
And there is the fly right up in the sky, ignited by the heating air, and is from West Jaintia Hills. And he has also been awarded the Hole-in-One certificate by the Indian Golf Union. These are the two athletes right ahead.
What you've just seen now, the flame in the hands of Wanda Singh and Salma and Devi Alaska. But now the flames and the torch are in the hands of Shailam Gamurong and Yadam Mayalang Tupu from East Jaintia Hills and West Jaintia Hills district. All of them have been approved with the Northeast Olympic Games 2024 and the other one has been a participant in the representing Meghalaya for the International Super Bowl Cup. She has represented Meghalaya for the International Super Bowl Cup.
And yes, the game has just been lit. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please let's give them a big round of applause. The flame for the 6th Meghalaya Games has just been lit.
In the name of all participants, I promise that we will take part in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 West Jaintia Hills districts. In the royal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our team and the glory of sports. Thank you.
A very happy Meghalaya Day to each and every one of you. And on this 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya's statehood, I am very happy to be part of this opening ceremony of the 6th Meghalaya Games. The very outset, I would like to congratulate many people. Our Honorable Minister for Sports, his entire team that have made the arrangements and this particular program a possibility. Our MLA, who has worked day and night. The members of the MSOA, the members of the different associations, and all the other stakeholders who have contributed to making the 6 Games what it is today. Each one of you deserves a round of applause of our future generation. Playing sports is not just about winning a medal. Playing sports and participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work. It's about accepting defeat, learning from the defeat, and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jowai for the first time, visited Jaintia Hills for the first time. And I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Turai last year for the first time. We want to build up that unity among our people. It's about culture, learning about different tribes, different communities and their way of life. I wish all the athletes the very best. As I said, it's not about or only about winning. It is about becoming a better person. It's about participating. It's about enjoying these moments. These memories will be with you forever.